Hi, good afternoon from New Jersey. I'm here with my neighbor Jack. We both brought our rockets. We're gonna go fly them, right, Jack? You're gonna go get them when they come back down, right? Not me. Yeah, okay. Let's go get an engine. Okay.
2, 1. Yeah, that was
There you go.
Guess what's it? Hey, you're a New Horizons over here. Okay, come on in. Stand over here. I got this one for you. All right, we're ready down here on the end. Everybody else ready? 3, 2, 1. So close. So close. 3, 2, 1. Push the button. This happened. I knew it. I knew you could pull.
What do you think, Jack? You flew your rocket.
Yep.
Yep.
Good.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Mine too. After what, 3 tries?
Yep.
Yeah, bad igniters.
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna fly yours again?
Maybe. I don't
Maybe.
know.
Okay.
How high does this globe go?
Oh, I don't know. I had a bigger engine than yours.
Mine was pretty high.
All right,
Yeah,
pad
I
1, 2,
know.
and 3. No,
It
don't
looked
push
pretty
yet.
good.
We're going to do a simultaneous launch.
Do it again.
Everybody make sure you have a... Uh-oh, we don't have a light. Oh no! And Timmy gets it with the umbrella. Timmy Poppins. He